Today I'm going to share how to VLOOKUP in 30 seconds. If you are someone that always works on copying and pasting data from another document, for example, you have a list A and someone asked you to fill up list B based on list A. Normally you will look for the asset name and copy and paste it to list B. Well, you don't have to do this hard work with VLOOKUP. All you have to do is go to the cell that you want to fill up. There are 4 items that you need to fill up in this VLOOKUP function. Type equals VLOOKUP, open parenthesis. First, the search key you want to look up. In this case, the search key is the first asset row from list B. Type comma. Second, the range where you want to refer to. Comma. Third, the column number from the range where you wanted to look up. We are looking for data in column 2, which is email address. So, type number 2 and type comma, and fourth, type false for exact data match, end it with close parenthesis. To fill up the remaining cell, click on the VLOOKUP cell, click small dot on the corner right and drag to bottom. Since dragging to the bottom will make the original range value to change on the remaining cells, Google Sheet has the autofix function to fix this. Click on the tick button and you are good to go. Now, we are going to use the same function for third column. Please note that only column number is changing in this function, where column number is 3, which is person in charge cell. If you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to check out new tutorials from us.